What's up, guys? This is Ryan Smith. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to show you a buffalo wings recipe that is super easy but puts out some awesome wings. I'll be cooking these on my Weber kettle. I've got some charcoal lit. Grill's getting hot. Now I'm going to show you how to prep the wings. I've got 6 chicken wings here, and I've already separated a few of them, or a couple of them. What you want to do is just take a good sharp knife and you want to remove this tip, and I'll show you the process here on one of them. Take the tip off, and then you want to cut between this joint right here. You can just feel with a knife and try to get in between, and sometimes you can take the wing and actually pop the joint out. Run your knife between that. Now I've got the wings all separated, and I'm going to season these and get them ready for the grill. I'm just going to use some of this Lawry's garlic salt. Just give them a little coating of this. This combined with the buffalo sauce that we'll be putting on in a few minutes gives some good flavor. Put just a little black pepper on these. Turn them over and do the same on the other side, and they're ready for the grill. I've got the grill set up for indirect cooking. We'll put them over here away from the charcoal. All the vents are wide open. Put a full basket of charcoal. You want to get the temp up around 400 degrees plus. Just go ahead and lay these over here and space them out just a little bit to allow even cooking. And folks, I apologize for this wind. It's a little windy out, and I know the microphone will probably pick some of that up. Put the lid on these and check on them in about 15 minutes. Hey guys, these have been cooking about 15 minutes. I'm going to turn them over. Getting some pretty good color on them, and the skin's starting to get crispy. That's what I'm really going for. Alright, I'll put the lid back on these, and we'll probably give them 10 or 15 minutes on that side. And it'll be time to start checking the temperature. We want them to cook to about 165 degrees, and then we'll put together our buffalo sauce. See you in a few minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 15 minutes since I turned these over, so I'm going to check on them and use my thermopen to see if they're up to 165 degrees, and if they are, it's time to go ahead and start putting together the sauce. These have really got good and crispy. They're all up to temp good, so we'll go ahead and put together our sauce. We'll go ahead and put together the buffalo sauce. I'm going to use probably about a half a cup or so of this Frank's hot sauce, maybe a little over. And then I'm just going to put some butter in that. The idea is the more butter that you put in this, the milder it'll be. If you want a spicier sauce, something with a little more heat to it, you want to cut back on that ratio of butter. If, on the other hand, if you like it more of a mild sauce, put a little more butter. A good place to start is probably about half and half, and then you can just kind of go from there and see what you like. But I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons full. I like mine a little bit spicy. And you just want to melt the butter, and once the butter's melted, this is done. Just takes it a couple minutes sometimes. I'm going to put this over the heat. Alright, we've got our sauce done, so I'm going to go ahead and pull a few of these off and toss them in a little bit of this buffalo sauce. skin got really nice and crispy on them. Made this sauce just a little bit on the hot end. I'm going to take a bite of one of these. That is awesome. Once again, I appreciate you watching this video as always, and I hope you like this recipe. Let me know in the comments below what you like to dip yours in. Do you like ranch, blue cheese? If there's a different way that you like to fix yours, just let me know. I'm interested in hearing what you guys do with your wings. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can catch some more of my videos. God bless you.